Empathy means trying to understand how another person is feeling. I imagine what it might be like to be in their situation and see the world from their point of view. When I show empathy, I let other people know that their feelings matter to me. People can feel many different emotions, like happiness, sadness, or worry. Sometimes I can tell how someone is feeling by looking at their face, listening to their voice, or noticing their body. Other times, I may not know how they are feeling, so it is okay to ask them in a kind and respectful way. When I notice someone is upset, happy, or scared, I can try to understand how they are feeling. I can listen carefully without interrupting, ask how they are doing, and give them time to talk. Sometimes people want advice, but other times they simply want someone to listen and understand. I can imagine how I might feel if I were in the same situation. This helps me respond with kindness and respect. Even if I haven't experienced the same thing, I can still try to understand that their feelings are real and important. Showing empathy means I am making an effort to understand them and to care about their emotions. I may offer kind words, encouragement, or support, or I may simply stay with them and listen. When I practice empathy, I build stronger friendships and more positive relationships. People feel valued, understood, and accepted when someone takes the time to listen and understand their feelings. Empathy helps create a caring and supportive environment where everyone feels respected. Next time I notice someone is happy, sad, or worried, I will remember to pause and think about how they might be feeling. I will listen carefully, be kind, and try to understand their point of view. By showing empathy, I can help other people feel heard, respected, and supported.